Hi, everyone. It's meteorologist Justin Stapleton. Thanks for jumping on to click2houston.com. Well, it was a breezy, warm day today, although even with the cloud cover, we're still able to get up to 85 degrees, 86 down in Galveston. You don't normally see Galveston warmer than some of the inland areas because of the influence of the coast down there. But this is what we're watching as we go into the overnight hours. We've got our big area of low pressure now coiling its way from eastern New Mexico, moving into the Panhandle. Look at the snow north of Lubbock, and then you can see the severe weather potential for this. Right now, the busy end of all of this is up near Dallas-Fort Worth, moving in towards Oklahoma City. That's the good news, is that our atmospheric lid, or the cap on the atmosphere for us here in southeast Texas, is holding for now. But here comes that line. That's our front itself. As that gets closer to us, it will likely unlock things, and we'll start to see some of the stronger storms move on through. So windy and muggy for the rest of the evening. Storms will be moving into the overnight hours as that front slides on through. Once it's done, on the back end of that, we get a cooler, breezier Sunday forecast. In fact, we're going to chop that humidity back big time. I'll show you what it looks like here in a couple of minutes. First, though, let's take it hour by hour as we go through this evening. By about 10 o'clock, some of the northern western counties experiencing thin but could be still a potentially strong line of thunderstorms moving through. Can't rule out a quick strong gust of wind or possibility of some hail, and certainly a quick 1 to 2 inches downpour as well. Then by about midnight, that's moving in through portions of northwestern Harris County over in towards Waller County as well, Grimes County, and then eventually working its way across the metro area by about 1 to 2, and then eventually down to the coast by 4 or 5 o'clock. The good news is, looks like this has been speeding up in our computer models, which is certainly a good thing to see. And then eventually, as we get through about 7, 8 o'clock, that clears out, and we're back to sunny skies by lunchtime. Much different story tomorrow afternoon. So in terms of how much rain, we could see upwards of maybe 1 to 2 inches if you happen to get a quick thunderstorm moving over. Otherwise, flood potential fairly minor at this point. Looks like that is going to be shifting up and towards Arkansas and then eventually portions of Tennessee. Watch the temperatures overnight tonight go from the upper 70s. We're not going to move much over the next few hours, and then eventually cooling off quickly into the low 60s tomorrow morning. And then with the sunshine, but the winds will be out of the northwest, so kind of a cooler wind will keep us in the low 70s for highs, and not much in the way of humidity either. It's going to be a beautiful day unless you're riding out in the BPMS 150. There you're going to take a pretty strong headwind out of the northwest, around 15 to 25 miles an hour, but temperatures and the humidity will be much, much less than what they've been battling most of the day today. 74 for tomorrow. We'll go 84 on Monday. Overnight lows in the 50s, so nice cool starts as we go into the next couple of days. Then another chance for storms on Wednesday through early Thursday morning. Those will clear out again in the 70s. A nice looking start to our weekend forecast. Nice cool overnight lows in the 50s and afternoon highs in the 70s and low to mid 80s. That's your forecast from right here at click2houston.com. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and Twitter. I'll be on there all night tonight, give you updates on any new severe weather potential that rolls on through. And you can get your weather forecast up to the minute right here anytime you need it at click2houston.com.